Hi all, welcome to the demo of the application which we have named as Kamyab India that we have submitted as a part of this hackathon. About this application, as we all are aware, due to COVID-19 pandemic, a lot of daily wage earners and migrant workers lost their jobs and suffered a serious setback in their income. Many had to even go back to their hometowns to survive. Post-COVID, a major challenge we as a country would face is to enable these citizens to get back on their feet and create more job opportunities for them. The application has been developed with the aim to empower such workers by connecting them to the recruiters who have suitable job opportunities for them. Also help them to learn new skills which will make them eligible for more number of jobs. As you can see, we are on the homepage of the application. If you scroll down, all users can see all the jobs available across various sectors and the number of opportunities available, which workers will be able to apply only after registering. So let's take a look at login and registration functionality. So there are two types of users. So for workers, they will have to register as employee user. In order to register, they have to fill in the registration form. The first section in the form is personal information, which takes input from them about their contact details and other personal information. In order to do verification, they also have to provide their Aadhaar number. Second section is more focused on their job requirements, which takes inputs like languages they speak, if they have any previous experience, their skills, and preferred job location, which is fed for the input so that when they log in, they can see the relevant jobs for their skills. Now, in order to complete the registration, they have to set the login credentials to be able to apply for the job. Now, once the users have registered, they can see now the jobs that are relevant for their skills and for their as per their preferred job location, and the apply job button is also now enabled, which they can click to apply for those jobs. In order to make this registration process more user friendly, especially for the people who are uneducated and not very well versed with the technology, we have implemented a speech recognition model which takes input in the form of speech and let user register.
अगर आपने पहले कभी नौकरी करी है तो कृपया अपने नौकरी का विवरण दें।
खाना बनाना,
Okay, so as you saw, this module takes input from user in their local language, and once he clicks on the submit, it takes all the details and register the user. Now, coming back to the main application. So apart from this, we also have a functionality to extract job information posted on the external websites. This module has been built using web scraping. As you can see, it takes the input from user to know his skills and then list all the jobs that are posted on other websites, which he can also choose to apply for. The application also has two additional sections. First one is training videos. So this it provides library of the virtual trainings and live sessions to help workers to develop new skills. It helps them to broaden the scope of their opportunities and assist them to start afresh. The second section is financial help. The page of this page has been developed with the intent to provide some direction or guidance to the workers who are looking for financial help. This provides details of the possible options for seeking financial help, like what are the options to get help from government or NGOs, or what is the criteria, how they can be eligible for that, and how they can apply for that. So we have now covered all the sections that are applicable for the workers. We can quickly take a look at the recruiter section and to see how he can post the job requirements. So the recruiter also has same way to register. He also has to fill in the personal information, which is the first section. So here, similar to the worker user, he also has to provide his contact details and other information. The second section here, he has to provide his identification details. So recruiter can be a person who has personal or family requirements, or any representative from organization can also register. So depending on the requirements, if it is for personal use, then he has to provide Aadhaar number as identification. If it is a company, then they have to provide company PAN for the verification. And similarly, in the end, they have to set the login credentials to complete the registration. So once recruiters have registered, they are now eligible to post job requirements. So they have to fill in this form where they have to enter job information like company name for which this job requirement is being posted, number of positions, the kind of job requirements they have, etc. And then the contact details, also the salary that they are willing to pay. If it is the requirement is for full-time or part-time, all such inputs. And once the job has been posted, it is available for all other users to see. Let's look at that as well. Now, when other users log in, they can see the job that has been posted by the recruiter and they can choose to apply for it. And there is also view application button that has been provided, which is for the recruiters to see who and all have applied for that particular job. Due to the time constraint, we have been able to implement the major features and prototypes. However, the future scope and impact of this is tremendous, details of which we have submitted in our project. We also understand that the internet and websites are not accessible to everyone in our country, and the English language is the major bottleneck, especially for the audience we are targeting for. Hence, the major milestone for the future roadmap is to make this application multilingual and convert this into a mobile application which can be downloaded from App Store to cover the better reach. We would also like to create a job recommendation module which takes input from users in audio format, especially for the users who are not, again, technically very well versed. It can take inputs from them in their local language and recommend the job for them using their information like their skills, preferred job location, etc. Thank you.